The event producer of one of the world's largest Pacific festivals was at the Olympics of Kapa Haka a fortnight ago, and she was impressed.
I must say the comms around getting to the event, the information around the program, some of the top tips around attending the festival. I mean, this is really event geek stuff. I thought was really accessible for us as festival attendees. I was really prepared prior to going to Te Matatini.
Torise Flay felt it was a no-brainer that her and her team attend, and they walked away with some key learnings.
Te Matatini was the way our kaumatu and our kuia and our manuhiri were hosted, and those are these little nuggets, and I was keeping my eye on that lounge and just the visitors that were coming through and the way they were really looked after. I took a lot of that away, and I really want to be able to see what I can do in Pasifika to bring that part of our festival up a level, because I could just see the smiles on everyone's faces, and we get that at our festival, but being able to elevate that a bit more is really, really quite special.
She's looking forward to seeing Pacific cultures celebrated again after being impacted by the Christchurch mosque attacks and COVID.
We haven't delivered a full festival at Western Springs, which is its home, since 2018. So that's 5 years of us. We've planned, we've designed, we've developed, we've even packed in marquees, packed in stages, and then a big stop and a big halt. So for us, it's around being able to really bring that mahi that we've worked over the last 5 years to life.
A Taste of Pasifika is a pop-up store educating people about the festival, and Flay hopes in 2025 it will shine light on our Polynesian connections.
We've got the Māori culture is just real prominent and present here, and when we talk about our Pacific brothers and sisters, it's an opportunity where we can collaborate, bring a little bit of a taste of Pasifika into Te Matatini, and like I said, it's a travelling product, so regardless of where it's hosted, we need to make it happen.
Village games and soul sessions are other events that the Pasifika Festival have run in March as part of the event. Aaron Ryan, Te Ao Tātahi.